And that's the question, is that we always expect and want people to do the right thing, but are they going to do that? Because not everybody's on social media to see when a dog's missing. And so they're outside one day just working in the yard, and all of a sudden a little puppy runs up. Well, you and I both know you're going to fall in love with that dog. Sometimes it's just community that helps you get your pup back. And good people do good things. And so that's what we're hoping for here. Oh, freaking ass. God didn't even try to stop. Guys, can you believe that? Just when you're starting to talk about people doing good things, and all of a sudden you see this. It's so senseless. Did you see how close the dog's leg was to getting run over by that car? And for what reason? It just goes to show that there are evil people everywhere you go. And when you see something like this, it just makes you shake your head because it's senseless. Do the right thing, guys. Don't be this person. Well, hey guys, if you would like to see the rest of this story and others, hit that follow and like button right now.